3 luxury SUVs perfect for seniors, almost no maintenance. Walk onto almost any used car lot in America, and you'll see them. Luxury SUVs sitting in the back row, dusty, ignored, sometimes marked down 2 or 3 times. Why? Because most younger buyers want flashy German SUVs with big screens and aggressive styling. Meanwhile, salesmen push people toward expensive lease-return luxury cars that often come with huge repair bills later. But after 24 years working under the hood, I've learned something most people don't realize. Some of the best luxury SUVs ever built are hiding in plain sight. They're comfortable, extremely reliable, easy to drive, and surprisingly cheap to maintain. These are the same SUVs I recommend to my own family. In fact, one of them is the exact SUV I would hand the keys to my father tomorrow without hesitation. Today I'm showing you 3 luxury SUVs that are perfect for seniors. They're easy to get in and out of, have great visibility, and can easily last 200,000 miles or more with basic maintenance. Number 3 is excellent, number 2 is legendary, but number 1 is on a completely different level. Let's start with number 3. Number 3, Acura RDX 2013-2018. The third pick is one of the most underrated luxury SUVs on the used market. The second generation Acura RDX. And honestly, the reason it's underrated is simple. Acura makes fantastic vehicles, but their marketing has never been great. That's actually good news for buyers because it keeps the prices low. Let me tell you a quick story. Last year, a 71-year-old retired school teacher came into my shop with her daughter. She had just had knee replacement surgery, and her old Subaru Forester was painful to climb in and out of. Her daughter wanted her to buy a brand new Honda CR-V because it was reliable. But their budget was $16,000. So I asked them to give me an hour. I checked a few listings and found a 2016 Acura RDX with 64,000 miles for $15,400. All-wheel drive, leather seats, heated seats, full luxury package. She bought it that weekend. 6 months later, she came back for her first oil change, gave me a hug, and said getting in and out of the car no longer hurt her knee at all. That's why this SUV is special. Now let's talk about the mechanics. The RDX uses a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine. And those words matter. Naturally aspirated means no turbocharger to fail. It's also port-injected, which means you won't get the carbon buildup problems that plague many modern engines. This engine is from the same family used in the Honda Pilot and Honda Odyssey, both famous for lasting 250,000 miles or more. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, not a CVT, not a complicated dual-clutch system. Just a traditional automatic transmission that Honda has perfected over decades. And it's extremely reliable. For seniors, the design is also perfect. The seat height is about 23 inches from the ground, the sweet spot. You don't have to climb up into it like a truck. And you don't have to drop down into it like a sedan. You simply slide in. The doors also open wide, which makes entry and exit easy for anyone with stiff hips or back problems. And visibility is excellent because the windows are large. Today you can find a 2016 Acura RDX with under 80,000 miles for around $14,000 to $17,000. And the average yearly maintenance cost is around $500. For a luxury SUV, that's incredibly low. But the next SUV on this list takes durability to another level. Number 2, Lexus GX460. The second SUV might be the most over-engineered luxury SUV ever built. The Lexus GX460. Mechanics love this vehicle. In fact, many mechanics buy these for their own families. A few years ago, a retired engineer came into my shop driving a 2008 Mercedes GL450. He had just been quoted $4,200 to repair the air suspension. He asked me a simple question. Should I fix it or buy something else? I told him to sell it immediately. Then I recommended the Lexus GX460. He looked at me like I was crazy. But 2 weeks later, he came back with a 2014 GX460 he bought for about $24,500. That vehicle now has over 160,000 miles. Do you know what repairs it needed? Just brakes, tires, a battery, one wheel bearing. That's it. Every January, he sends me a message telling me how much money he saved compared to the Mercedes. Last year, it was $7,800. The reason is simple. The GX460 is built like a tank. It uses a 4.6-liter V8 engine designed by Toyota. No complicated electronics, just a strong naturally aspirated engine built for reliability. Toyota engineers designed this engine to work even in remote parts of the world where dealerships don't exist. The result? These engines regularly last 300,000 miles. It also uses a timing chain, not a timing belt, which means fewer expensive maintenance services. And despite being a big SUV, it's surprisingly comfortable and easy to drive. The ride quality is smooth, visibility is excellent, and the seating position is very comfortable. But the number one SUV on this list beats even the Lexus when it comes to long-term reliability. Number 1. Toyota Highlander. If I had to recommend one SUV for my own parents, it would be this. The Toyota Highlander. It may not look flashy, but when it comes to reliability, comfort, and ownership cost, it's one of the smartest vehicles ever built. Toyota engineered the Highlander to be simple, durable, and extremely dependable. Most models use the 3.5-liter V6 engine, one of the most reliable engines Toyota has ever produced. These engines regularly cross 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Oil changes, brake pads, tires. That's about it. For seniors, the Highlander is also incredibly practical. The seat height is perfect. The doors open wide. The ride is smooth and quiet. And the interior layout is simple and easy to understand. No confusing controls, no complicated technology, just a comfortable SUV that works. And because Toyota sold so many of them, used prices are very reasonable. You can often find a well-maintained Highlander for $12,000 to $18,000, which is incredible value for a vehicle that could easily last another decade. So if you're looking for a luxury SUV that's comfortable, reliable, and inexpensive to maintain, these three stand out above the rest. Number 3. Acura RDX. Underrated, comfortable, and very reliable. Number 2. Lexus GX460. Overbuilt, powerful, and nearly indestructible. And number 1. Toyota Highlander. The smartest long-term ownership choice. These vehicles prove something important. You don't need to spend $60,000 on a brand new SUV to get luxury, comfort, and reliability. Sometimes the best cars are the ones quietly sitting in the back of the used car lot, waiting for someone smart enough to recognize them.